Gentlemen, what if I told you that you have the power to help an erection with nothing but your own two hands? I'm Dr. Charlotte Hayes, and I know that for men, especially men over 50, the topic of sexual health can be a source of stress and frustration. We've talked about medications and we've talked about lifestyle changes, and those are vital. But many of my patients come to me seeking natural, non-invasive ways to improve their sexual function, something they can do right now with immediate effect. Well, in my practice, I often talk to patients about an approach rooted in ancient traditions, acupressure. Now, I want to be clear from the start, this is not a magic cure. This does not replace seeing a doctor for a medical evaluation or taking a prescribed treatment for an underlying condition, but it can be a powerful tool to supplement your other therapies, especially for men who struggle with anxiety or mild stress-related erectile difficulties. Today, I'm going to show you 3 specific urologist-approved pressure points that have been used for centuries to improve blood flow, reduce tension, and support male vitality. We'll go over where to find them, why they work from a scientific perspective, and how to properly massage them for maximum effect. Stick with me, because the 3rd pressure point is an absolute game changer that most men have never heard of. Before we get to the specific points, let's briefly discuss the science behind this. I want you to understand why this works and not just take my word for it. Acupressure is a technique from traditional Chinese medicine that's very similar to acupuncture, but without the needles. It involves applying firm pressure to specific points on the body, which are known in traditional medicine as acupoints. From a modern Western medical perspective, stimulating these points can have a very real physiological effect. It helps to release endorphins, which are your body's natural painkillers and stress relievers. It can also help relax deep muscles, reduce overall physical tension, and most importantly for our topic today, enhance localized and systemic blood flow. An erection is not magic. It is a fundamentally simple hydraulic process. It requires 2 things to happen simultaneously. First, the arteries that supply the penis must relax and expand. And second, the veins that drain the penis must constrict. This allows blood to rush into the spongy tissue, which we call the corpora cavernosa, and get trapped there. Anything that helps with circulation and reduces the physical and mental tension that can constrict those tiny blood vessels is a step in the right direction. The stress, anxiety, and physical tightness we carry in our bodies can cause a state of constant vasoconstriction, meaning our blood vessels are squeezed shut. And that is exactly where these 3 pressure points come in. They are located in areas of the body that, when stimulated, can help break that cycle of tension and constriction, promoting the relaxation and blood flow needed for a firm erection. The first pressure point we are going to work on is called the C of energy, or CV6. This is a classic point used for male vitality and overall health in traditional medicine. It's a great starting point for this exercise because it's incredibly easy to find and can be very effective at improving circulation to the lower abdomen. It acts as a central hub for the body's energy. To locate it, place your index finger directly on your belly button. Now, without moving your index finger, place your middle finger, ring finger, and pinky finger below it. The point you're looking for is located right underneath your pinky finger. You should feel a slight indentation or a soft, almost tender spot just above your pubic bone. That is the point. It's centrally located on the midline of your body, and it's a very common point for general wellness. The reason this point is so effective is that in traditional Chinese medicine, it is believed to stimulate the core energy pathways that connect directly to the genital and reproductive organs. From a modern Western medical perspective, applying gentle but firm pressure here helps to relax the deep muscles of your lower abdomen and pelvis. These muscles, especially the ones that support your internal organs, can become tense and constricted due to chronic stress, anxiety, or simply from sitting at a desk for long periods. When these muscles are tight, they can restrict blood flow to the entire region. By relaxing them, you are opening up the vascular pathways, allowing for a better flow of blood to the penis. This sets the stage for a stronger, more robust erection. To properly massage this point, use your thumb or a few fingers. Begin by applying slow, firm pressure. You don't want to hurt yourself or cause sharp pain, but you should feel a distinct sensation of pressure or a dull ache. Once you find that spot, you can either hold the pressure steadily or begin to massage the area in small, slow, circular motions. As you do this, remember to breathe deeply and consciously. Try to inhale for a count of 4 and exhale for a count of 6. Massage the point for about 30 seconds to a full minute. I recommend doing this 2 to 3 times a day as part of a routine, perhaps once in the morning and once before bed. The next pressure point we're going to use is located on your leg. It's a very well-known point in acupressure called the 3-yin intersection, or SB6. It's a powerful point because it's where 3 major energy meridians, the spleen, liver, and kidney meridians, all converge and intersect. From a holistic health perspective, all 3 of these systems are considered crucial for healthy sexual function, energy levels, and hormonal balance. To find it, sit down comfortably and cross one leg over the other so you can easily reach your inner ankle. Find the prominent bone on the inside of your ankle, which is called the medial malleolus. Now from the very top of that bone, place your 4 fingers, your index, middle, ring, and pinky, stacked one on top of the other just above it. The point is located just behind your shin bone, about 4 finger widths up from your ankle. When you find it, you'll notice it's a soft, sensitive, and often slightly tender spot. The reason this point is so effective is that it is believed to improve the flow of energy and blood to your entire pelvic region and to help with hormonal regulation. From a more tangible Western perspective, pressing on this point stimulates a network of nerves and deep vessels that are directly connected to the lower body and the pelvic area. It's a very common point used by physical therapists and medical professionals to promote circulation throughout the lower extremities and to help alleviate pelvic congestion and tension. By massaging this point, you're sending a signal to your body to relax the vascular pathways that are critical for achieving and maintaining a strong erection. To massage it, use your thumb and apply firm pressure. You should feel a slight ache, a dull pressure, or a mild tenderness. Hold that pressure for a period of 30 to 45 seconds. As you do this, make sure you take slow, deep, calming breaths. Then release the pressure slowly and repeat the entire process on your other leg. You can perform this massage once or twice a day. It's an excellent way to prepare your body for intimacy or to simply reduce stress at the end of a long day. The third and final pressure point is one of the most effective for male vitality, but it's often overlooked because its location seems so unrelated to sexual function. It's located on your lower back. This point is called the bladder 23, or more evocatively, the Sea of Vitality point. It's a true game changer because it works on both a physical and an emotional level. To find it, you can either stand up or sit in a chair with your back straight. Place your thumbs on your lower back, about 2 finger widths away from your spine, directly at the same horizontal level as your belly button. It should be just above your hips and below your rib cage. You'll feel the 2 prominent bones of your spine running vertically, and you want to be about 2 fingers to the side of them. The points are there, one on each side, nestled in the soft tissue. From a traditional Chinese medicine perspective, this point is directly linked to your kidneys, which are considered the core energy source for sexual vitality and overall endurance. From a Western medical view, massaging this point helps to release deep muscular tension and stiffness in the lower back and pelvis. I see so many men with chronic back pain, and that stress and tension in this crucial area can absolutely constrict the blood vessels and nerves that are vital for sending the signals and getting blood flow needed for a firm erection. By gently but firmly massaging this spot, you're helping to release that deep-seated tension, improve nerve signals, and promote overall relaxation throughout your entire pelvic floor. To properly massage these points, you can use your thumbs or even a tennis ball pressed against a wall for a deeper massage. Apply a consistent, firm pressure for about a minute on each side. Do this whenever you're feeling stressed, anxious, or tired, and you'll immediately notice a calming, rejuvenating effect as that tension melts away. This simple daily practice can have a profound impact on both your physical well-being and your sexual health. So, there you have it, gentlemen. 3 simple urologist-approved pressure points that you can incorporate into your daily routine. Remember, these are not a substitute for seeing a doctor. If you're having persistent problems with your erections, it is a sign that you need a medical evaluation. But as a complementary tool, these massages can help improve blood flow, reduce stress, and get your mind and body working together toward better sexual health. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more straight talk medical advice for men. And let me know in the comments below which of these pressure points are you going to try.